Hey everybody! So in this video we're going to have another example of solving nonlinear systems of equations. So when you're solving nonlinear systems of equations, typically substitution is the method that you always want to work with. Elimination can be really difficult when you have nonlinear equations. So you want to look for an x or a y that has a coefficient of 1. So in this case I have y squared, this having a coefficient of 1, being equal to 2x plus 13. So what I'll do is I'll take 2x plus 13 and I will substitute this in everywhere I see a y squared, which is right here. So I'll have x squared plus y squared, and I know y squared is 2x plus 13, and then I'll bring down the 6x and the minus 1. So when I combine my like terms, 2x and 6x is going to give me 8x, and then 13 minus 1 is going to give me the 12. Now, when you're working with the quadratic here, remember that the fastest way to find out what my x solutions are is going to be to factor. So are there two numbers that multiply to give me 12, and when I add them, I get 8. And that's going to be 6 and 2. So in order to find the x-intercepts, I take both my factors and set them equal to 0. So one x solution will be negative 6, the other will be negative 2. Now, in order to find the y solutions, you need to take your x values and substitute them in. So y here is y squared equals 2x plus 13. They gave us that in the problem. So if we wanted to isolate and just find the y coordinate, that's going to be the square root of 2x plus 13. Remember, when you have equations and you take the square root, you must remember this plus or minus sign, because that's going to give you your positive and negative solution. So here I'll substitute in negative x for y equals, and I'll also substitute in negative 2. So here 2 times negative 6 is negative 12, and negative 12 plus 13 is 1. So the square root of 1 is 1. When I plug in negative 2, this is going to be negative 4 plus 13, which is 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. So here I'm going to have multiple solutions. When x is negative 6, the y value is both negative 1 and positive 1. When x is negative 2, the y values are both negative 3 and positive 3. So in this particular case, I'll have 4 solutions. So if I were to graph these two equations on my calculator, they would intersect 4 times at these coordinates. All right, that's going to be it for this video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and we'll see you all in the next video.